Wait, is that man startable?
Okay, we have one more demonstration, folks. With the liquid nitrogen.
Let's put liquid nitrogen and liquid nitrogen.
Inside my balloon, I have air. What we're going to do is cool down, reduce the temperature of the air. Question, how will decreasing the temperature of the air inside the balloon affect its volume? Let's find out.
This thing's shrinking.
I'm melting!
Scratch more. What's the hit? It's not gonna pop, it's just and it's gonna inflate again.
And now folks, what I'm going to do is take the liquid nitrogen out, take the balloon out of the liquid nitrogen and allow it to warm back up to room temperature. That will increase the temperature of the gas, the air inside the balloon. What will happen to its volume?
Okay, like, if you come back to normal, but it should have to scratch more.
Okay.
It's alive! Is it still a balloon?
Yeah.
Will it do all the things that balloons do? Okay.
Crowds are
Like this, guys.
Yo, crowd serve it. We're gonna bring it back.
I don't think you're enjoying the show. Are you enjoying the show? There we go, good. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I have here in this little crucible is a mixture of iron and aluminum. It's called thermite. Some of you may be Mythbuster fans and have seen a thermite reaction on Mythbusters. But what I'm going to do is it'll light a fuse and it's going to heat the aluminum and iron mixture and we're going to get molten iron below. One of the useful things for this is tying railroad tracks together because they can fuse two large metal pieces together. Let me see here. Unlock. Push button. Light fuse. I like fire. That's not the reaction yet. That's just the fuse lighting. In about 2 seconds, this is the reaction.
Oh my god. I think I'm
Who took my call?
I think they're by the bottle.
I can't see.
Now, to give you an idea of how hot that is, you can't just touch it in a pan, metal pan. It will go right through the bottom of the metal pan. In fact, there's a famous story about a guy who put on a demonstration called the thermite demonstration on the 3rd floor of a chemistry building in a university that will remain unnamed, on a wooden table with a small metal pan. They put the fire out in the basement. It was on the 3rd floor.
Well, I should move this back here then.
Yeah, but you're actually capturing it in. That's the ingot of iron, molten iron. But you're capturing it in wet sand. And if you come down here and look, if there's enough of it, you'll actually see around where the molten metal comes down, the sand turns into glass. The oldest known chemical reaction is not the manufacture of beer or alcohol. It is the manufacture of glass.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thermite.
Okay, for this demo, I'm going to need a volunteer. Okay? It's a physical test of strength. Oh, wait, wait, wait. is to try to put a dent in this bottle using 2 hands, okay? 2 hands only. Not 2 hands. It's pretty tough plastic. Okay, let's see. Thank you. Let's not funny. Right?
Don't jump on it.
I guess we're gonna have to use chemistry to crush it.
Alright, thank you guys. So, chemists might not have superhuman strength, but we're kind of clever. So, I'm going to use the air around us to help me crush this bottle. Right?
So she just poured some rubbing alcohol in there. What she's doing right now is making vapor. She's turning it from the liquid to the gas state.
Alright.
One point I'd like to make right now, you can see why we let Arwa wear this lab coat, because it's not because she's a sloppy chemist. Remember, it's the psychedelic Technicolor lab coat, and anybody who can bend a bottle by that, by just hold, you don't want to mess with it, okay?
Okay. So right now, we got a call from the local zoo. They're all out of elephant toothpaste. So we're here to save the day.
I don't know if you guys know, elephants have disgusting teeth.
Okay, so first we're going to add some hydrogen peroxide because we want pearly white teeth.
Alright, let's do this. What else do you need in toothpaste?
We need some soap to get rid of the stains.
Makes sense. Our elephant's teeth is really dirty, right? Do we want more? Yes. Alright. I think that's enough soap for this elephant.
Okay, but we want it to be a little bit more fun, so how about we add some colors, food coloring,
Alright. Let's see.
maybe some glitter.
Who likes blue? Or red? Or blue and red?
That looks like the Kylie Jenner baby.
Okay. It's still a little bit boring. Can I add glitter?
Sure.
Okay.
Why not?
Okay.
Okay, but this really doesn't look like toothpaste. I think we need to add our secret ingredient to make it look like toothpaste.
Okay. Can we all use this toothpaste?
No.
Okay, that tells me I should be worried about this toothpaste mixture.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
light my hands on fire? Yes. Alright. You all want my hands to burn?
We just want to see some cool things.
Right? I'm a pyrokinetic. Control fire. I just need some fire first.
He's a firebender.
Fahimah's gonna give it a try. We're gonna light her up on fire.
Like the rest of you on fire? Next.